right, y'all, another day, sunny. We are going to the park. We're gonna walk at the riverfront. Oh my God, there's sun. It's a nice day out there. Look at this, y'all. All right, we're gonna go walk. It's cool. Oh, look at that. All right. No, I've never been there. Look at that. The Willamette Queen. All right. Another door. Next day. I've never seen this. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Taking you all for a walk with me and my chava. Man, look at this. Wow. It'd be cool to come here at night. Enjoy your park. Please watch your steps. Oh. Hey, don't want to fall. Oh, this is a cruise. Lunch 1 hour. Look at this, y'all. That's what it is. Riverfront. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah? Oh, that's pretty cool. Let's go walk down there. Oh, warning sign. No swimming. Let's go. Lunch in 1 hour. Oh, watch your step. All right, y'all. We're gonna walk. What the hell? That's pretty cool. Oh man. Alright. Check with you on the beat. Alright. We're at the other side of the riverfront. What is this called, Sadie?
I don't know.
Oh, I think it's like a riverfront, like amphitheater type of thing. There's a town. This is brand new. They built this bridge maybe like what, a year ago? No, a couple years ago. Look at that. We're gonna cross this bridge. All right, y'all. Oh man, look at this. It's the world. Friends of Eco-Earth, City of Salem. That's pretty cool, y'all. Look at that. It's like a world. Oh, all the flags, y'all. Oh, that's pretty cool. Some people don't mess with that stuff, huh? They probably. It's the globe with fishes and animals. Look at that, from Australia. Fishes. What is that? Oh, Africa up there. Oh, excuse me. That's like a whole globe, y'all. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, look at that. Restoring the eco riverfront. Look at that, y'all. Donate online. That's pretty cool. Video of this. Oh, that's pretty cool. Damn. We got dinosaur sculptures in there. Ah, that's pretty cool. Up the bridge. Oh, shoot. Halfway down the bridge. On the other side of the bridge, y'all. On this side. Conservation area. But yeah, look at this, y'all. Oh, we got another conservation area thing right here. Look at that, y'all. Wildlife, birds, habitat. That's awesome. That's pretty cool. Here we're still running, walking, on a roll. Okay, my mom sees that I'm walking too, so she don't believe I'm getting my exercise. I should send this to my doctor. Hey, Yamaguchi. And my dog's retired. Hello. Oh. Yep, my doctor's retired. Oh man, what are we watching? Oh. Evolution plan. Y'all see that? Alright, y'all. We're like a mile in from where we started. Got little shadows. Hell yeah. I'll bleep it out. Look at that. Oh wow. See, look at that. The bridge is over there. We'll probably go around the town. All right. All right, y'all. Another update. This is the other side of the riverfront. Now there's two sections we're gonna check. Left or right. Taking this trail. Caution. Mud and high water on trail. Let's see what happens. Look at that, right off the bat, we cannot make it. There's a mud puddle right there. Look at that. Oh, couldn't even go if we wanted to. Look at this, y'all. It is stuck with water. Back at it again. Little update. We're at, damn it. Sorry, y'all. 2 miles and 23. Been out for an hour. We have no water. Good update, y'all. I think we're lost. Yeah, we're lost. That's probably the one that said, we're gonna look at the map. Willamette River. I don't know where Willamette River is. Oh no, there's people walking this way. We gotta go. We made it, y'all. We think. I'll update you in another mile. Almost at 3. Look at this, y'all. We're rolling on the other side. We're going back 3 miles to one side of the edge of the park. We think. You're right. I think. And we have no water. And we did buy hiking boots, but we haven't worn them for hiking. I wore them to go step on the ice. For a while. Yeah, you're right. Let's see. Let's see. All right. Bruh, chill. My wife's childish. I have to move. No, she's childish. Is it that way? Oh, we're at 3 miles almost, y'all. What is that, a steady 97? Okay. And then usually right over there where that building's at, it's a retirement home. We pass that all the time when we go to the casino. Little do we know that there's a track. Well, here it is, y'all. I'll let you guys know in another mile how we're doing. Well, guys, we were on that side. We walked around. We made a boo-boo. Damn. Well, we're going back. Alright, y'all, update. 4 miles, 27. And we're going back. Since we had that roadblock. I tried to go through the mud and I got my shoes dirty. Yeah. Can't wait to go eat food after a 5-mile walk. I'll let you guys know more of this when we get back to the bridge.
She's better than me.
Yeah, she's not with Angel. Alright, y'all. This is back at the bridge. Now with more people, of course. Oh, look, there's a world. Alright. There we go. We're back. We're at... Oh, sorry, y'all. 5 miles, almost 6 miles. Alright, y'all, this is it. Till next time. Peace.